So welcome to the instructions on how to put the Halcyon computer overlaying your videos. To start, we will first ensure that the telemetry overlay is installed on your computer. And the next step is to download the zip file that's part of the description of this in the description of this video. So we will go ahead and download this zip file. We'll open up the folder. And the first thing we'll do is we'll take the Excel template. So copy this, go to your documents, custom office templates, paste, and then make sure that you can edit it. So by going to the properties here, you want to click this unblock, press OK, and go back. And the Symbios handset, we'll copy these other files and go to Telemetry Overlay, the resources directory, paste. Need administrator privilege, so press yes. Okay, we are ready for the work. So I'm going to close this, close this. First thing I'll do, I have downloaded a log file from the Halcyon computer. And to see what this looks like, I just open it up. This is what it is. And so the next thing we want to do is go to File New, go to our personal, and we should see Format Halcyon. Click on that. And then go back to our original file, Control A, Control C, and then jump back to the Format Halcyon and paste. And you'll notice that up in the Enhance, there is a menu called Enhance. So go ahead and click on Format Data. And we have all of the information for our dive. So go ahead and save this as go to my downloads, and we want to save this as a CSV. And I'll just call this telemetry. Save. And I can close this. I can close this. And so the next thing we need to do is integrate this into our video. So I'll first bring up Telemetry Overlay. I'll load a video. I have a sample video here. We'll skip the optimization of the file for the shortness of this video. My camera doesn't have any telemetry data, so I'm going to load it. Go back to my downloads, and we'll load the telemetry file. And go to Patterns. Once it's loaded, Patterns, Load Pattern, press Load. And go to Telemetry Overlay, the resources, And there's two different versions. If you're diving Imperial or diving metric, you can use whichever one you want. So press metric. And here is your dive. The video doesn't match the log just because I don't have a file that matches. Once that is done, it is ready to be exported. You'll notice that it's giving the nitrox maximum depth for in metric, and this is using a PPO2 of 1.4 to calculate this for demonstration purposes. We will actually load the Imperial. And the same thing is there, just your NDL is your nitrox load shows it in feet instead. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment to ask a question. If there's any requests or anything else that you would like, please feel free to subscribe and leave a message. Thank you.